There is a gap between birth and death, which is called as life, where we have to do something to fulfill our purpose. Hi friends, welcome to the Precious Life. We are in the series of Time Matters. There is a time for everything and a season for every activity on the earth. Friends, there is a time to be born and to die. Birth and death are the natural causes which are in control of the Creator. We are not supposed to do anything with this, but there is a gap between birth and death, which is called as life, where we have to do something to fulfill our purpose. The aim of life is not to die but to live. We are born to live. I had a question that why am I on the earth? Then I discovered three things, three in a pack called as purpose of life. Life is meant to be thankful, successful and fruitful. I'll come again. Life is meant to be thankful, successful and fruitful. Thankful. For what we have to be thankful? We have to be thankful for what we have. Thankful for being healthy, thankful for having food and shelter, thankful for having comfort, and so on. It seems to be silly and crazy, but being thankful pleases the Creator. Even it forces Him to do greater favor to us. So be thankful, my dear friend. The next purpose of life is to be successful. Many times we feel that we are imperfect. Personally, I felt the same. I had a feeling that I'm not so beautiful, not so talented, and I'm not worthy enough to live. But the Creator started to teach me that I'm the one of the most powerful and beautiful creation on the earth. Not only me, my friends, we are the most powerful and beautiful creation on the earth. If you still think that you are imperfect, what about Albert Einstein and Thomas Alva Edison? They are born with disorders but remained in the history. One day, Edison's school declared him as mentally disordered boy and rejected him from the school. He was not bothered about all those things, but started his research and invented the bulb which thrown out the darkness. Friends, you might not be same as your favorite artist, cricketer, musician, singer and anyone else. But know that you are the perfect design of the Creator. Here is an inspirational quote of Edison. He says, I have not failed. I have found 10,000 ways that won't work. Failures are the way to success. Learn from them instead to quit. Finally, to be fruitful. Hey, we bear a fruit in our life. Do you know what it is? It's the fruit of love. A man says, though I have the power to do anything on the earth, but if I have no love, I am nothing. It's true, my friends. We might be so pure and holy, but without love, we gain nothing. We brought nothing to the world when we have born. We take nothing when we die. The only thing that remains on the earth is the love we shared. Don't make your love as a seasonal fruit, but switch on it every moment. This is the purpose of life. So friends, be thankful, successful and fruitful, which fulfills the actual intention of the Creator. Thank you. Stay cool and bye.